Hey friends, we're gonna draw a spring bunny.
Yeah, a bunny with an umbrella. We hope you're gonna follow along. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're gonna start down here at the bottom and draw our little bunny's nose. I'm gonna draw an oval shape. And then we can draw the mouth curving out to the left and also out to the right. And then we can also make our bunny really happy by opening the mouth and adding a tongue. There we go. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and a circle over here on the right. And then we can also draw the highlights that we like to add to our little cartoon eyes. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now let's draw the head, and we're going to draw a big circle, but let's draw the bottom circle first, or the bottom of the circle. We're going to draw the chin and the cheeks.
Mine's more square.
I like it. That's cool. Yeah, you can have a different shape to your bunny head. Then we're going to draw the top of our bunny head coming over and connecting to the other side. And mine's a little flat over here, but that's okay. Now let's draw the ears. We're going to draw two lines coming out to the side, curving to the side. Then let's turn these into our bunny ears. I'm going to curve around like this, but watch here, we're going to get closer towards the bottom. Almost looks like an upside down raindrop.
Yeah.
Then we're going to draw that other shape over here, coming around and connecting in. Now let's draw our bunny's body. We're going to start here, and I'm going to draw a curve coming down and also getting wider towards the bottom. And then we can do the same thing over here. Then we're going to turn this into our bunny's leg and foot on both sides. And then we can also connect those together. All right, now let's draw, we could also draw our little bunny's tail. I'm going to draw a little cloud
Little pom-pom.
pom-pom on the back. And then now let's draw our bunny hanging onto our umbrella. I'm going to draw a sideways letter U that's coming up to the chin, curving around and back down. Then we're going to draw the other arm, but it's behind this one. So we'll just draw a line coming down to the right, and then another line for the top of the arm up higher. Yeah. So there, it's coming together to hang on to the umbrella. Let's draw the bottom or the handle of the umbrella. We're going to draw the letter J right here, and then I'm going to draw another letter J so that it's thicker right next to that one. And then we can connect it just like you did, and then let's color that in. Next, let's imagine the handle coming up behind our bunny's head, and we're going to draw it coming up higher, and we can go maybe as high as the ears. And we're going to make that thicker by drawing a line next to it, just like we did down here. And we can also color that in. So I went really fast, but our friends, you can pause the video if you need extra time. Now let's draw the umbrella. We're going to draw a big curve right here. We're going to go over the ear, and we're going to come back down on the other side. Well, mine's a little wobbly. That's okay. And I'm connecting the handle all the way up to that curve. Now on this side, we're going to draw another curve that comes up, and we're going to come down further. And we'll do the same thing, up and down further. Then let's draw the very top of our umbrella. We're going to draw a big rainbow line that comes out from the left side over, and then we're going to come back down on this side. And we're drawing our umbrella 3D, so it looks a little funny. But we're going to draw the back of our umbrella going behind the ears. So let's do that now. We're going to draw another curve right here coming down a little lower, and we'll match on the other side too. Then we're going to draw another curve, and we'll connect to the ears, and we'll draw another curve right here. If we have a little bit more room, we can draw that connecting in. And then right here, I'm going to draw another curve there. Then let's also draw lines coming up. So here's the middle of our umbrella. We could even draw a little spike coming out. And then we're going to draw a curve that comes from this spot right here. And we're going to curve up to the middle of the umbrella. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to imagine the inside coming up to that center part too. So we can go behind the ears and connect there. And we'll do the same thing here and here. So each spot that comes down to a point, you can draw a line that comes up. I'm going to add another one right here. And we did it! We finished drawing our little bunnies with an umbrella, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our spring bunnies, and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
I really like the face on your bunny.
Thanks. I also like that we added rain.
Yeah, and a puddle. And our art friends can add more things like a background.
Maybe you can draw baby bunnies underneath the umbrella too.
Oh yeah, down here.
Yeah.
That would be funny.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your spring bunnies.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.